Liqui Moly gives you everything you need to ensure your car retains its value. Liqui Moly gives the engine a long service life and makes sure you save fuel and protect the environment when you drive. What do our fuel additives give you? What are the benefits of our synthetic oils? And why do our car care products ensure your vehicle retains its value? Ventilsauber valve cleaner thoroughly cleans the valves of your engine. Here you see a perfectly normal engine running quite smoothly. Quite smoothly. During each combustion process, valves get clogged up. That's perfectly normal. The residue has an adverse effect on the performance of an engine and its smooth running. Ventilsauber valve cleaner prevents the build-up of undesired deposits and also removes the already existing deposits from the valves. Liqui Moly Super Diesel Additive is our hit product for diesel engines. When cold, even the very latest diesel engine can't hide its origins. When added every 2,000 kilometers, Liqui Moly Super Diesel Additive increases the inflammability of diesel fuel. It turns your diesel into a weasel. It starts more easily, runs more smoothly, and combustion is optimized. Liqui Moly Injection Cleaner is the cure for injection engines, which most modern cars are fitted with these days. Dirty nozzles cannot guarantee accurate injection. But even dirt on the intake and outlet valves disturbs the steady fuel flow. After the Liqui Moly Injection Cleaner has done its job, exact dosage and perfect atomization of the fuel is restored. The engine runs more smoothly and performance improves. Fuel consumption drops, and so does pollutant emission, all of which helps our environment.
SpeedTech, the state-of-the-art fuel additive from Liqui Moly, for improved and smoother acceleration even in the low RPM range. With SpeedTech from Liqui Moly, your engine starts better and runs more smoothly. Simply add SpeedTech to your gasoline to noticeably increase engine acceleration and driving pleasure.
Liqui Moly Bleiersatz lead substitute enables older cars and valuable vintage ones to drive on lead-free gasoline. Unhardened valves wouldn't stand up to all those hard hits for long without Liqui Moly lead substitute. Always add a dose of Liqui Moly lead substitute to the tank and the valves will get gentle treatment without poisoning the environment with lead.
Liqui Moly Engine System Cleaner. Greater efficiency is now more important than ever. That's why leading car makers recommend additives that can deliver considerable improvements to the quality of the fuel. Liqui Moly offers these highly effective additives for both gasoline and diesel vehicles. They're just mixed into the fuel, allowing them to clean and preserve the entire fuel system and eliminate dirt and incrustation on injection nozzles and valves, as well as in the combustion chamber. Cleaner engines are quieter, retain their original performance, accelerate better, consume fewer and of course consequently emit fewer pollutants. Liqui Moly engine system cleaners enhance the efficiency of all injection motors in diesel and gasoline vehicles. they make an important contribution to protecting our environment and conserving resources. After all, it's now more important than ever. Save when driving. Save with all your energy.
At Liqui Moly, it all started with this product 40 years ago. Today, it's still the runner. For physical reasons, there can never be an absolutely smooth metal surface. When examined under a microscope, every metal surface looks like the surface of the moon. Liqui Moly oil additive changes all that. The Liqui Moly oil additive smooths out inconsistencies in the metal surfaces of pistons and cylinders. That means less wear and tear, lower coefficient of friction, and an engine that runs quieter and smoother. It considerably decreases fuel consumption.
The innovative oil additive from Liqui Moly. CAREFREE, the high-tech wear protection product for all motor oils. CAREFREE mixes automatically and is simply added to the motor oil. Even under extreme conditions, the product ensures optimal engine lubrication with a long-term effect of 50,000 kilometers. With its ceramic compounds that withstand high loads, CAREFREE prevents the direct contact of all metal parts and thereby reduces wear, even when subjected to extreme loads. The low friction effect of CAREFREE reduces fuel consumption, considerably increases engine service life and reduces pollutant emissions. CAREFREE, ceramic engine wear protection used in aerospace engineering, can now be used in your engine as well. Liqui Moly Proline Engine Flush. In every car, the motor oil and oil filters need to be changed at certain intervals. There are good reasons for this. Thermal and mechanical loads can make every motor oil eventually look tired. Lubricity decreases and contamination increases, so it needs to be gotten out of the engine. And what's left? Service professionals know this. That's why they recommend Liqui Moly Proline Engine Flush before the oil change. It's just added to the old motor oil at operating temperature. While the engine is idled for 10 minutes, oil-soluble and oil-insoluble residues of all kinds are brought into suspension and subsequently removed along with the old oil. The result? Everything's clean. The fresh oil can now be fully effective straight away. And it stays fresh longer too. Liqui Moly Proline Engine Flush. Highly effective, tested with the best results for gasoline and diesel engines.
Liqui Moly Motor Protect keeps your engine younger for longer. Countless parts inside an engine are permanently in motion. Liqui Moly Motor Protect envelops these parts in a ductile, gliding layer that remains effective for at least 50,000 kilometers. Motor Protect reduces wear and tear on the moving parts. That prolongs the life of your engine. Optimal engine performance and smoother running are guaranteed, so fuel consumption is reduced. Liqui Moly Gear Protect keeps your gears younger for longer. Numerous cogwheels have to connect perfectly to transfer engine power to the wheels. Liqui Moly Gear Protect smooths the sides of these cogs and thus reduces friction. Gear changes are softer, the gears run quieter, and they last longer. Making this world as clean a place as possible for our children is one of our duties. To make our products as environmentally friendly as possible is one of the main justifications for our continuous laboratory research. Today's computer simulations are more precise, but visually, this does a better job. When oil vaporizes, its lubricity is affected. Viscosity and heat resistance are the most important criteria for modern engine oils. The toughness test for engine oils is carried out in temperatures below 0 Celsius. The more viscous an engine oil is, the longer it takes to reach the important spots in the engine. Whether it is distributed in 0.10 seconds or in 1.0 seconds is crucial for the efficiency and life expectancy of the engine. For every engine type, from tractors to high-performance racing cars, Liqui Moly provides oil optimally suited to the vehicle. Our MOS2 anti-friction oil already contains the molybdenum disulfide additive. That way you get the benefits of a modern anti-friction oil combined with the wear and tear reducing characteristics of Liqui Moly oil additive. Which means you kill two birds with one stone.
Anyone seeing this after a service can be sure of one thing. The air in the car is now fresh and clean again. That's because the air conditioning system was professionally cleaned with Liqui Moly's AC System Cleaner. Liqui Moly makes life easy for professionals in service outlets thanks to a special cleaning set. The set includes cleaning fluid, a cleaning gun, containers for the cleaning fluid, and the spray probe with spherical jet nozzle. To avoid aircon disasters, an air conditioning system should be professionally cleaned once a year. We recommend that this is done at the same time as the inspection and replacement of the pollen filter. Combining these tasks saves on costly removal and installation work. Just how simple this job is on practically all standard vehicle models can be seen from the instructions on Liqui Moly's website. The cleaning fluid is applied through the air ducts onto the evaporator, where it dissolves dirt and destroys bacteria and fungi, which are not only responsible for unpleasant odors, but can even cause illness. What's left is a protective film that keeps the air conditioning system clean for longer and also ensures a pleasantly fresh aroma. So, don't forget, get the air conditioning system cleaned professionally once a year with Liqui Moly's AC System Cleaner. Quicker payback for the professional. Added comfort and safety for the customer, thanks to perfect air conditioning in the car. You drive a whole lot safer with a cool head. That's why just about every new car today is fitted with air conditioning systems. They're in some older models too, but unfortunately they're also often smelly. That could be because of fungi and bacteria that take up residence in the warm, moist evaporator unit of the cooling system over the course of time. Air ducts then spread the often unpleasant odors they create throughout the interior of the vehicle. Liqui Moly Klima Fresh is a breath of fresh air. Simple, fast, and effective. Positioned in the intake area of the ventilation system, Liqui Moly Klima Fresh destroys fungi and bacteria in the air ducts and on the evaporator with a highly effective mist spray. Simply put the air conditioning on, switch to recirculating air, activate the spray head, close the doors and windows, and within about 10 minutes, the air in your vehicle will be lastingly fresh and clean again. Liqui Moly Klima Fresh. Comfortably better driving.
Liqui Moly car care products round off our comprehensive range for maintaining your vehicle's technical and optical value. Wind and weather, ice and snow, rain and sunshine all have a daily effect on your vehicle. With regular use of our car care products, you'll enjoy your vehicle for a long time to come. Liqui Moly, for maintaining your vehicle's technical and optical value. All from a single supplier.